So President Tshisekedi has been a big failure. He's a champion. His administration on corruption, using more money, going outside of the country, spends more money. And if I can say this, in colonial time, the Belgians left Congo with a real army. So President Tshisekedi has been a big failure. He's a champion. His administration on corruption, using more money, going outside of the country, spends more money. And if I can say this, in colonial time, the Belgians left Congo with a real army. On the beginning of the 70s, our army was going to Egypt to fight to defend the other territory. We are almost 120 million people. You are over 2.3 million square kilometer. Very, very huge. In the beginning, we didn't have this problem because of bad governance, because of fake election. You know, if the people, they don't support you. Today, there is this issue on the East. Where is the 73% which elected President Tshisekedi to go and defend him in the street? No. Because the people didn't find themselves on this regime. We have to live in peacefully with all the neighbors. Mm-hmm. The only things we need to talk, to have a frank talk between first Congolese. When I was campaigning, I wrote even to President Tshisekedi. And is what happening today. Our soldiers are not fighting. You know what is the salary for a colonel in my country per month? A colonel, $120. Jeez. You know what is the salary for a member of parliament? $25,000. You know what is the salary for a soldier which is in the war? Less than $80. You know what is the salary for minister? Huge. Triple figures. There is a budget which just came out. The spending of President Tshisekedi at State House is more money than France. Can you compare our economy to France? Our president spend more than President Macron. You can't continue just blaming the others. The problem is the others. The problem first is us. If you are paying really soldier very well, $80, I can't go and die for $80. So I think what is important? What is important for us to bring peace today? Because you see, we don't have an army today. No. People are not fighting, which is a shame. We had the strongest army since colonial time. Everyone was scared about the Congolese army because the soldier was very well paid. This M23, Kabila kicked them out in 2012 with $300 million spent. Today, the government have spent $4 billion. These $4 billion. These all become business, or money doesn't go at the war, money remain with some people, and the soldier, they are starving where they are, and this is really the result. No roads, no infrastructure, no future. and illegitimate.
Mm.
And the soldier, when they are fighting, they didn't elect anyone. They've got family, those soldiers. I didn't vote for him. Why I'm going to die for him? So I think what is important, there is the two churches, big church, the Protestant church and the Catholic church, which are leading the talks. We need to sit and talk. Let's stop fighting. The war is not going, even if there is a winner today. You are going to say why I'm supporting President Trump. It is trying to get a peace with no war. We have to have this peace with no war, because you know how many refugees are in my country, how many Congolese are dying every day in the war, and you know how many Congolese are dying with hunger per day in the big town of Kinshasa, in Katanga, jobless, no medication. Per day in all the countries, maybe 2,000 people in less than the war because of bad governance. I think what is important, we have to protect our integrity for the territory, for Congo. We need to talk even with the other Congolese which decided to go to the war, to say, let's come back on the same war, let's stop this situation.